Kaka, what are some ways to express time? Like yesterday, last night, today, tomorrow, tonight. We are working on those in class. Can you help me?
Atakoja, Ochichiakechomi. That's good you're learning time references because in Lakota, we express it with different verbs, whether it happened in the past, it's happening now, or will happen in the future. For example, if I said I bought a horse, I'm buying a horse, or I will buy a horse, I have to give you different time references so you understand to match that verb. So I will give you a few because there are very many in Lakota. So if something happened in the past time references are chtalaha, chtalaha, yesterday, chtalaha, hahepi, last night, hahepi, hehani, this morning, hehani, ampeha, earlier today, ampeha. If something's happening right now at this time, we could say wana, now, wana. If something is happening today, leampetuke, leampetuke. Something is happening right now this morning, lehihaniki, lehihaniki. If something is happening this evening right now, lechtayetuki, lechtayetuki. If it's nighttime and something's happening, lehahepiki, lehahepiki. Tonight, right now. If something is going to happen in the future, we could say ektawapchayaki, ektawapchayaki, later on today. If something's happening this evening, chtayetuki, chtayetuki. If something's happening tonight, hahepiki, hahepiki. If something's happening tomorrow, hihaniki, hihaniki. Okay, Takoja, those should be good. Get those down and practice them.